I think there are many other ways in deterring unwanted pregnancies. One is, of course, even if it's hard, it should be abstinence. It's 100% effective. It's 100% theoretically effective. And ang kuan magod, ang contraceptives is mura siya og kanang easy way out na lang for everything. There's always another way, not only contraceptive.
There's still other ways, right? Abstinence, and di ba, hello, mapugnan dyan siguro na, di ba, is dili isud mo. If you really don't want to be pregnant nga wala sa lugar, then dili ka mo engage, don't engage yourself into that sexual intercourse if you're not that ready, diba? If you're not prepared emotionally, financially, and if you're not married, diba? So, why use pa man some contraceptive?
Okay, makuhaan sa unwanted na ito dyan. Hindi rin na solusyon. Okay, mga sayop mo na. Ang mga ginikanan, mga sayop. Wala karang i-encourage ba yan sa City Health na one time nag-meeting ni, encourage na po na natural family planning. Balik sa
word unwanted, that should not be, because based on biblical principles, all pregnancies should be given by God. These are all allowed by God. They should have prevented themselves in coming to a situation wherein the woman would get pregnant. If there are about 1 million pregnancies in a year, 60% of that are all unwanted. Because who wants to have a baby right now? Unwanted pregnancies happens to couple who were not able to control themselves. You see, pregnancies can be preempted and prevented by the couple themselves. Even without the use of contraceptives, you can control it. Why not? According to the Bible, be temperate. That is self-control. So you can control it. Why not? You can control it. Because it is between the husband and the wife. That things could be discussed together and planned together, and after they have molded a plan for themselves, then they come up to a solution whether they have to have that pregnancies or not at all.